There's no doubt when it comes to creating more traction on YouTube, using hashtags is a great option. They didn't always exist, but now you can use them and find things of interest as well as others who are doing the same. You've probably already seen the hashtags above the YouTube title and are wanting to know how to place them there. We're going to break it down here in the simplest way possible. But first, if it's your first time here, welcome to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel, the channel that gives you options to ditching your 9-to-5 job. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification every time we release new content like this. Now back to the video. The question most people have when wanting to use a hashtag on their YouTube video is, where do you put them? There are a few different options and we'll go through them. The first option is, you could put the hashtag in the title. So follow whatever your title is and go ahead and put in the hashtag. If your title is 5 dog training exercises you should do every day at home, you may put the title in and then the hashtag dog training. The second option is, you can put the hashtag in the description box. It's easiest to direct the hashtag toward the bottom of the description. Say everything you need to say in the description about the video and end it with a few hashtags. If you're wondering how many to use, anywhere between 1 and 3 is fine. Stay on point and keep it simple. While some use more than 3 in the description box, YouTube won't display any more than 3 hashtags. When you check out your video, you should see it above your title. Both work, and here's a bonus to using these. You can easily go back to older videos and put hashtags in. There's a good chance you'll get a new run through the algo. So, don't worry how old a video is, you can always add a hashtag. It's that simple. Those are the 2 ways to add hashtags. Start adding them today. If you want to learn more about YouTube monetization, especially since you may already be looking for more traction with YouTube videos, we've got some great content that will help you get your watch time and subscribers fast. Just head to the description box to check out the videos below. Thanks as always, and we'll see you in the next one.